Welcome back to Vedansh Academy. In the previous chapters, we discussed gear system, steering system, braking system as a part of vehicle system. Moving forward, now let's go for drone system. Not to mention here, you all might be knowing the meaning of drone. So common it is nowadays, be it a function, be it an entertainment sector, be it a military application, be it an industrial application, everywhere we find drone. Of course, what comes in our mind is a miniature of helicopter, which is nothing but unmanned aerial vehicle called as UAV. It can also be called as UAS. What is UAS? Unmanned Aerial System. So what is this drone? Yeah, drone is unmanned aerial vehicle without the human being. It is a vehicle system which flies and captures the images. Probably most of you might have experienced when you go to a function, especially a wedding function, when you are witnessing a reception function, a drone is flying over the head, capturing the images, and you will be able to see your own images in front of you immediately with the help of this drone. And most of the YouTube videos, when you are observing, whether it is a forest area or any city, capture images which is captured from the top. Even in case of cricket also, a drone wave is also captured. And when it comes to military application, a larger size drones are also being used. So drones are now in usage in a larger and larger way. So very interesting to know how it functions and what are the various parts. Look at here, this is a schematic diagram of a drone which consists of a frame. Completely it is made up of frame and fitted with a motor. Of course, it needs a motor for its own drive and also propellers. So these are the propellers which needs to lift the drone at a certain altitude, and also electronic speed controller for controlling the speed of this drone. We need to have this. So these are the components of this drone system. Components. I repeat, what are the components of drone system? The first one is frame, and the second one is motor, and the third one is propeller, and the fourth one is electronic speed controller. These are the parts of the drone system. And as I already told you, this drone can be of two types. One is unmanned aerial vehicle or unmanned aerial system. Then how exactly these drones are classified? Drones are used everywhere, but not the same size, not the same type of a drone. So on what basis these drones are classified? So let's look at the next item, that is classification of drone. First classification is based on the size, right from a miniature, the smallest drone in terms of grams, even 250 gram, 500 gram or 1 kg, 2 kg, 20 kg, larger size. So based on the size also the drones are classified as smaller, larger, largest, like that. And the second classification is based on the weight, how much it weighs. And third one is based on the altitude to what range. Of course, for your information, the rise of the drone in certain areas is restricted to certain range. For safety reasons, you might have heard that it is restricted to 500 meters, 300 meters. In certain sensitive areas, the rise of a drone is generally restricted, and also based on the speed, whether it runs at a low speed or medium speed or higher speed. So on these four parameters, based on the size, based on the weight, based on the altitude, and based on the speed, the drones are classified. Then what are the characteristics of this drone system? Characteristics. So the first characteristic is it should have the 4K camera for capturing the images with the highest or full clarity, and it is AI driven, and it should be with the GPS navigation so that the exact location is very, very important, and it should have a battery life. Of course, the battery life with a minimum of 45 minutes is essential for the working of drone. That should be one of the characteristic of this drone system. So this drone system, when it comes to the application, it is used right from the private usage, public usage, entertainment, industrial usage, and to the extent of military or defense application, the drone system is being used. So dear learners, this is all about drone system. In the next topic, we shall discuss the refrigeration and air conditioning system. Keep waiting. Thank you.